हेलो दोस्तों, हाउ आर यू। मैं प्रार्थना करता हूँ कि आप और आपका परिवार और हमारा ये यूट्यूब परिवार यूं ही हमेशा स्वस्थ रहे और मस्त रहे। फ्रेंड्स, मैं इस चैनल पर आप सभी के लिए मैथ सब्जेक्ट के हर एक चैप्टर की हर एक एक्सरसाइज के वीडियो बनाकर अपलोड कर रहा हूँ ताकि आप सभी को बेनिफिट्स मिल सके। तो यदि आप इस चैनल पर नए हैं तो इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, और यदि आपको आज का वीडियो पसंद आता है तो इस चैनल को लाइक कीजिए, ताकि क्योंकि आपकी लाइक से मुझे मिलती है बहुत सारी खुशी और बहुत सारा मोटिवेशन। और यदि आपको लगता है कि ये वीडियो और किसी के भी काम आ सकता है तो प्लीज़ इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिए। थैंक यू। तो चलिए दोस्तों, आज के वीडियो की शुरुआत करते हैं इस पॉजिटिव थॉट के साथ, जो है ये। So now students, we will study about exercise number 2b. In this exercise we will study about addition with regrouping. Okay, so students, our first question is add the following, regroup if needed. So your first question is uh, 2908, and this is your argent, and your addend is 2586. Okay, so let's we will solve it. So students, you can see, remember this thing, always start addition from ones place. Okay, this is your ones place, tens place, hundred place, thousand place. So now what is coming on your ones place? What is your augment? Your augment is 8. So students, we will follow line method. In this method we will follow line method. First of all, we will write 8 lines: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now what is your addend? Your addend is 6, which is on ones place. So now we will draw 6 lines here: 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now we will count these lines: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. So students, your answer is 14. This is your 2-digit answer. Okay, so you will write this 4 on ones place, and this one I will write this one on carry place by red color. Okay, by red pen. Okay, so this one is your carry. So now students, we will add tens place number. So we will add these three numbers: 1 2 3. Okay, so now again we will draw first of all one line for carry number, which is 1, and here you can see one Taklu uncle. So we will not draw any line for Taklu uncle. So now here you can see 8 is on tens place, which is our addend. So we will draw 8 lines: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now for some we will count from starting. So your 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So students, you will write 9 on tens place. Okay, so now students, we will solve 100 place number. So here 9 is coming on 100 place and 5 is coming on 100 place. So first of all we will draw 9 lines. Suppose 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. And now what is on coming on 100 place? 5 is coming on 100 place. So we will draw 5 lines: 1 2 3 4 5. Now for to get sum, we will count from starting. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. So students, you can see again, we can see 14 here. So this is your 2-digit number. So we will write 4 on 100 place and this one on carry place, which I will write by red pen. Okay, so this one is your carry place, carry number. So now students, we will find sum of thousands place digits. So they are 1, 2 and 2. So now students, we will draw first of all one line for carry place number, and now two line for augment and two line for addend. So this is your two line for augment and this is your two line for addend. So now for getting sum, we will count from starting 1 2 3 4 5. So students, we will write 5 on thousands place. So students, this is your final answer, 5494. Now students, we will solve some more questions for more clarification. Okay, so suppose this is your question number B is 5492 and this is your augment and your addend is 521. So now suppose this is your question and we have to solve it. So your augment is 5492 and your addend is 521. So first remember this thing students, always start addition from ones place, and your ones place digits are 2 and 1. 2 is your augment and 1 is your addend. So now for augment we will draw two line 1 and 2, and for addend for we will draw one line. Okay, so now for getting sum, we will count from starting. So this is your 1 2 and 3. So we will write 3 on ones place number, ones place digit. Okay, so here now we will solve tens place digits. So these digits are 9 and 2. So 9 is our augment and 2 is our addend. So we will first of all we will draw 9 lines for augment. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. And now for addend we will draw two line 1 2, and for getting sum we will count from starting. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So students, you can see 11 is two digit number. So we will write this one on tens place and this one on carry place here. So I will write this by red color, red pen. So now you can see here three numbers on 100 place. 1 is for carry, 4 is for augment and 5 is for addend. So now we have to solve, we will add all these three. So first of all we will draw one line for carry number and 4 lines for augment 1 2 3 4, and 5 lines for addend. So 1 2 3 4 5. So now students, for getting sum, we will count from starting 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So again students, you can see 10 is two digit number. So we will write this Taklu uncle on 100 place and this one on thousands place, which I am writing by red pen. So now students, we will solve thousands place digits. So and they are 1 and 5. 1 is for carry place, carry number, and 5 is our augment. So now you can see there is no digit on addend. So what we will do? So here Taklu uncle will our help. So we will put one Taklu uncle here. So now students, we will add these numbers. So one I will draw one line for carry number and 5 line for augment 1 2 3 4 5, and no need to draw any line for Taklu uncle. So now for getting sum, we will count from starting 1 2 3 4 5 6. So students, we will write 6 on thousands place. So this is your final answer, 6013. Okay, this is your final answer. Now students, we will solve some more questions for more creation. Suppose this is your question number C. 48,325 is your augment and 31,034 is our addend. So now we will solve it. Remember this thing, always start addition from ones place. So 5 is on 5 is our augment and 5 is our addend. So first of all, we will draw 5 lines, 1 2 3 4 5 for augment and 5 lines for addend, 1 2 3 4 5. Now for getting sum, we will count from starting 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So students, you can see 10 is 2-digit number, so we will write this Toglu uncle on ones place and this one on carry place. Now we will solve 10s place numbers and they are 1 2 and 3. So we will draw one line for carry number and 2 line for augment and 3 line for addend, 1 2 3. So for getting sum, we will count from starting 1 2 3 4 5 6. So students, you can see 6. So we will write 6 on tens place number. So now we will solve 100 place digits and they are 3 and 0. And so 3 is our augment and this Toglu uncle is our addend. So students, we will draw 3 lines. Okay, so 1 2 3. And now for addend, no need to draw any line for Toglu uncle. So for getting sum, we will count from starting 1 2 3. So we will write 3 as it is. Now students, we will add thousands place digit numbers and they are 8 and 2. So we will draw 8 line for augment, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. And now 2 line for addend, 1 2. And for getting sum, we will count from starting 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So you can see again 10 is 2-digit number, so we will write this Toglu uncle on thousands place and this one on 10,000s place. So now we will solve 10,000s place digits and they are 1 4 and 3. 1 is our carry number and 4 is our augment and 3 is our addend. So now I will draw first of all I will draw one line for carry number and 4 line for augment, 1 2 3 4 and 3 line for addend, 1 2 3. Now I will count from starting 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So I will write 8 on 10,000s place. So 80,360 is our final answer. Now we take some more example for more clarification. Suppose this is your question number I. Okay, so 4,856 and plus you have to add 3,029. Okay, so this is written in first of all we will convert this in vertical column. Okay, in vertical form. So here I will write this in this form. Okay, so now this is our always start, remember this thing, always start addition from ones place number. So here we will start from last. So 6 is our augment and 9 is our addend. So we will draw 6 lines for 1 2 3 4 5 6 for augment and 9 lines for addend, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So now for getting sum, we will count from starting 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Okay, so students, you can see 15 is two digit number, so we will write 5 on ones place and 1 on tens place. So you can see now we will solve tens place number. Students, you can use finger method also. Okay, so now I will use finger method. So first of all, this you can see 1 is here. Okay, so uh, I will count 1 on finger. Now 5 is our augment, then I will count from starting 1 2 3 4 5. Now for addend we will count two more blocks, so 1 2. Now for getting sum I will count from starting 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so now I will write 8 on tens place. Now students, we will solve 100 place digits and they are 8 and taklu uncle 8 and 0. So you can use uh, directly you can solve 8 plus 0 8. Okay, so students, you can see all three methods in which you are comfortable, then that method you can use. Okay, now 4 plus 3 7. So 7885 is your final answer. So I think addition with regrouping is clear to you. Okay, so now, so this is your rest question will be, this all rest question will be in homework. So please try. If you get any type of confusion, then please ask me. Thank you very much.